This is a Hyundai table saw, HYTS1800E. It is going to take you an hour or two to put it together. I was tempted to just stick it on the table and not bother, but the height is better if you use the legs. It is very well made, so it's quite a bit more substantial than some of the cheaper ones. It's good to check that the blade is on properly before you use it. This is the riving knife going on and the cover plate going back. I don't like these new guards. They're not made to bolt on tight. They're made to drop down and go up and down, so I took it apart. You're about to hear the sound of a motor. I like the way the motor runs, the sound of it. I flipped the guide so I can work to the right. I might move a ruler as well to give me a little bit extra reach. You're about to hear the motor again as I cut a piece of ply. The saw cuts square straight out of the box. It seems like a good thing.